What's up, y'all? It's Monday, baby. Dude in the box truck. It's nice and wet. It's all rainy. It was raining on me the whole time I was driving into work. It just stopped. So hopefully that's the end of it. It'll just be a wet day. We'll see. I just checked the list. We got 9 stops today. Going to the mountains. It'll be a wet mountain run. I don't like it, but we'll make it work. Got the first truck done. This is one job. That's one stop, and that's the other stop. So 3 stops total on this truck. Second truck's done. All these doors and windows going to one spot. We got to pick up some doors. That should be fun. And now this truck's done. That's one job. That's one job. That's one job. And that door's one job. Then we're gonna put one more door right there on that corner and call it a day. Well, we started rolling. We got filled up. Then the diesel exhaust system screwed up on the small truck. So we're back at the office. Got to take all the small truck off of the small truck and put it on one of the big trucks, or both of them. Nice. We got everything switched over to the truck. We finally on our way. That boy right here. All right, we back. Got to hit it from a different angle. Stop one. I think we got 9 of them today. I'm standing up in the corner. Backing up. Stop number 2. Ooh, I'm pretty sure that's it, ain't it? Yep. It says enter with permission only, private. Need to go through the creek today, boys and girls. Driveway's on the right after we pass these 2 barns. We'll find it out. This is her, and there she blows. Maybe get that 4x4 white truck moved. Try to get it back here to the garage. Golly.
Chris, you got made in the shade, bro.
What do you say? Made in the shade with his mind in the haze.
Number 1 single. Like you gonna jump on this track with me? Nah. Oh, number 1 single, okay. Once you hear it, you gonna like, I should have jumped on it. I get that. Be like, that beat was nice. I ain't even working at one content.
I tried that.
Yeah. Hey, when y'all get done with this, y'all take that thing, y'all go home.
I don't pick up them 6 doors.
We ain't worried about that.
Come on, man. All right.
Yeah. About a foot or two. That's good.
Go down. Wheel down side.
Just slide it down.
That's what I'm saying. Come out this way.
Come to Jimmy. Booyah shaka. That's the big job down. The rest are little onesie twosies. Besides the 6 doors we got to go and pick up. We'll get us fording this creek again. You never know what you're gonna get in the mountains. Do Austin Powers to turn around again, but we made it. We tried to beat the rain, but we couldn't. Just this door right here. It's just this one. We made it. Bagging up right now.
All right, get it out the way. You got it?
Start it. Table.
We thought it was gonna hold out. We got 3 more stops. It don't look like it is. It's getting dark. Definitely like that view. Mountain in the background. That's so pretty. You ready?
Yeah.
We gotta get over that hump. I don't know if it's gonna look any different, but here's the same view in the rain. In the rain. Should be good. All right. That's bullshit. We just got dumped on. Golly. It's spinning. Oh no. Okay, he ain't spinning no more. This is some of the stuff we got to do in the mountains. We got to get these big old trucks back here. We can't turn around. We got to back up. He's stuck. Might have to get the tow rope. He's stuck. Have to go get a tow rope and yank him out. Maybe. He just hit a tree. Holy crap. That's insane, man. There's a better way. Boy, he's spinning like crazy. He made it though. Little spot to go tubing at. The mechanic's still working on our truck. The one that broke down this morning. Well, made it back to the office. Still wet. Tried to dry off, but you know how that goes. The other truck hadn't made it back yet. Hopefully they're okay. I guess they would have called if they needed something, but it's a done deal. Put 12 hours in today. Guess I'll see y'all in the morning. It's dude in the box truck. Y'all have a good one.